I haven't been on a motorcycle in probably 2 years, and I'm already kind of feeling it, but I don't plan to go crazy. I just need to get as far as the middle of nowhere, that's all.
The key is, with motorcycle excursions like this, is to stop often. So that's what I'm doing. I've got to just take breaks as often as I can. So it's great because any excuse I have to photograph something, I'm gonna take. I'm gonna try to stick with this. Oh, that is dirty. I'm gonna try to stick with this 35 f2, but I might find that I have to go back to my true love, and that's the 16mm 1.4. Anyway, let's see what I can get here.
Ain't got no judgment, no one to blame now but ourselves, But in these black Mason hills, we don't need no dollar bills. We afford whatever we can find. And we awake in the sun to the sound of beating drums. And there ain't no keeping track of time. We get on just fine.
Well, as far as nowhere goes, we're almost there, almost to the middle of it. I know because I'm starting to see cool gas stations like this one, totally run down.
On the front porch in our coats, catching cold through cigarettes, watching stray cats under cars. They stop and start like silhouettes. You're lighting matches just for fun, and running fire along your thumb. And once half the box is done, I see you frown inside.
I'm going to admit to you something. I have never in my life taken a product shot of a vehicle, so this is a little intimidating. The Honda Dream is not the bike you would normally choose for a long distance ride. I recognize that I'm a little bit crazy. More than just transportation, I wanted a subject. I wanted something that would be really fun to photograph. But one thing I really wanted to do while on this little trip was to try to get some really cool shots of the bike. So I found this spot. It's an old elementary school, but it has a really cool kind of industrial look. So I found this corner that's nice and shaded. We're still in midday, so I needed something a little bit more shady. And this just looked perfect. So I'm going to try to mess around with a bike in this little corner, find an angle I like. I don't even know what lens I should use to shoot it. I have 3. I'm gonna try it in all 3 just because this is, for me, this is a learning experience, and I don't know, maybe some of you will appreciate seeing how these 3 Fuji lenses do in this sort of shoot. So first off, I'm gonna compose the bike, get it to where I think it looks pretty good. Then I'm gonna take 3 shots. Here we go.
2 p.m. here in the afternoon. How's a pile of shoes in the living room? If it comes to you, it comes too soon. You and me, we're doomed. A given tree and a gibbous moon are the only things your house can grow. And the people sitting in your living room, well, if they don't know you, who do they know? Oh, planes are flying overhead. All your neighbors in their beds. Is it us or is it them? You ask me again.
All right, guys. I have not had water for 4 hours and it's hot, so time to go get some food and water. I'd love to hear what you think. What focal range did you like the best? Did you like the 24mm equivalent, the 50mm equivalent, or the 85mm equivalent? I can't talk, I need something to drink really bad. Let me know in the comments which focal length you like the best though. I'm curious because, like I said, I've never done this before. And actually, before I go, I'll probably, because I have to, I have no choice, I am compelled, I'll probably take some more photos of this place because it's interesting, it has some character. Alright, well here we are at the Gold Miners Inn. Bed and breakfast.
Hello,
Hi.
I heard the bike.
How are you?
Good, and you?
Good. I'm doing good.
Let me
So,
show you your room, and
alright,
then
yeah.
you can make yourself at home. Oh, okay, great. This is your
Alright.
room. This is your bathroom.
Great, thank you.
And what time would you like breakfast?
I saw a restaurant coming in town that claimed that they were the best food in town. My bed and breakfast hostess informed me that is because they are the only restaurant in town. So that's where I'm headed. I'm gonna have some burgers. I guess that's what they serve, and a lot of water. And then I'm just gonna walk around this town and photograph it until there is no more light. That is the plan.
The wish was swollen with a purpose. China in a pink balloon. It's not a cage, it's the giant tongue of a silver spoon. And you walked in and here all your answers. I'm basking and ready to explore.
Aw, man. Here too early.
You just show me through that door.
I love these old small town textures. The lady back at the best restaurant in town told me about this. It's pretty impressive.
It's not gonna way back. No heavy shoulders, heavy heart.
For me to get it all in one frame, I'm gonna have to do a panoramic with my 16mm. To do that, I'm gonna have to take this off the Joby since I left my other Joby back at the bed and breakfast. This guy just came and parked his truck here, so my shot may be ruined. He saw me, but I don't think he cared.
They televised his disappearance.
Alright, mean dude in the truck is gone. We're gonna try again.
Electro.
I really went into this sincerely wanting to get a lot more shots with that 35mm f2 to get some more experience with it. I'd like to do a review of it. To do a review of it, I really need to shoot a lot with it, but guys, I just can't stop shooting with a 16mm. I may have mentioned this before, but I kind of like that lens.
Well, it's not my favorite part, but you'll get a kick out of this.
So that Levi sign, do you know when it was painted?
Well, it was there when I was a kid, and I'm 76. You missed, I'll tell you what you did.
Yeah.
You missed, if you was here 3 weeks ago, this town was full
Of what?
of people that might have lived here, did live here, was born here, might have been
reunion.
born here, you know.
Huh.
There's the jail.
All right, well, thank you.
Okay.
Take care.
Don't waste yourself staring at the moon. It's not gonna wait back. No heavy shoulders, heavy hearts.
Well, guys, it's been a great day. The sun just went behind the mountains over there. I've got one more shot in me before this day is over, but it's been a great day with just amazing things to photograph. This town is so beautiful. It's everything I hoped it would be. It's more than I hoped it would be, but it's been great, and I look forward to more tomorrow. I'll leave you with this last photo, once again of the bike in front of the old fire station.
Don't waste yourself.
All right, one more photograph. Up on the hill, we still have light. I can't quit, I can't stop. I have a problem.
Shoulders, heavy hearts.
Again with the mosquitoes, I seem to attract them. I really love how these two dirt roads diverge. One is filled with muddy water, the other dry. It's really cool. Try to get a few pics. Well guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me in the little Honda Dream here on our short 24-hour photo excursion. I think we got some photos that I'm gonna be happy with, but even if I didn't, I had a great time. I'm gonna try to leave you with just a few last photos here to Marina on the way home. And then after that, I gotta take this little guy back to his loving family, and then I'm gonna put some ice on my everything. See you again real soon.